revexport.com, empowering, enhancing, informing. Hello friends, welcome to revexport.com. In the earlier video on Karnataka Bhumi, you have seen how to use the View RTC information service, and in the today's video I will be explaining how to use IRTC wallet, how to browse revenue maps, how to restart here, and how to view RTC XML verification, dispute cases, village wise pendency and citizen portal. So all these services will be covering in this today's video, and I will be providing the link over this video in the description, where I have posted an article on this, where you can see the step-by-step procedure for all these services. So let's move to the next service, that is revenue maps. Click on the revenue maps. So you can see the list of districts: Dakshina Kannada, Taluk here, and Hubli, and village name, and based on your search, so you can filter here. So as I am selecting Mysore here, I will enter AR Nagara, next Saligrama, and type of map you need. I am selecting all, and you can enter the village name as Balluru. Okay, click on it. So the map will be opening in the new tab, and here you can see the two types of maps over here. You can see the various representation of the lands over here, and different colors used here, and all the representation is written over here. So the boundaries are marked with pink color, the water is marked as blue, rivers, lakes, ponds, roads, highways. So each and everything will be represented in this map. And moving to the next map over here, so you can see the numbers represented here, and the boundary, the neighbor village. You can see the Nala. So like this, the each and every village is represented on map, and all the land information will be manually maintained in the lands department. So like this, you can search for all villages, and you can get maps from over here. You can see lake digital, lake survey. So like this, for each and everything we have the maps, the images. So for lakes, so they are representing like what is the total distance, length of this particular lake. Let's move to the home page. Moving to the next service, that is citizen registration. So here, as I mentioned, if you want to use these services online, first of all you need to register to the service. So as I mentioned earlier, you need to enter all the genuine information here. You need to verify yourself using OTP. Once the details are verified, then you can start using this particular website on your own. Next, moving to the next service, that is RTC XML verification. So each and every online record, it will provide an XML reference number. Using those details you can verify the data. Once you get that reference number, you can enter the reference number and click on get RTC data. So on the valid information, it will provide you the XML verification details. And next, coming to the dispute cases, click on it. So which district you want to select? So here I am selecting Mysore, Mr. Rajnagara, and you can see here like report description, controversial cases registered in land software. Okay, so I am clicking on get report. So in Mr. Rajnagara, transaction number 8, account change, mutation number 4, document number, transaction year, objector name, objection date, and type of like details why the objection was noted, on what type of objection it is. So you can get all those details here, the survey number. So like this, so you can get the dispute case information, and you can also export this all information to an Excel sheet. So objections raised by government, you can select here the option. Objection raised by citizens. Okay, so based on this, details will be changed. All objections, if you click on this, both government objections and citizen objections will be displayed here. And here you can see number of dispute cases registered here. Totally we have 232 dispute cases reported over here, and all these are the records related to the disputed land records. Again, moving back to our home page, the next service is village wise pendency. So here this service mainly used to see like how many records still are in pending state. Okay, so here I think it is in process. Creation is in process. We are not getting any other information, but they are suggesting that we can view the survey number, transaction details, and mutation status in village mutation process. Okay, let's move to the next service. So next is the citizen portal. So as I explained earlier, so once you have registered successfully, you can log into the details, and you can use all the services available over here in the revenue department related to land, any disputes or anything. And you can download the Pahani information. And the last service we have is Bhumi Form 57 data entry. Okay, so it seems this particular page is not accessible and it is closed. This is IRTC. So IRTC is nothing but the land record service. So here you need to register first, because as it is a citizen website, so all the citizens of the Karnataka state can use these services by you registering over here. So you can enter your first name and last name, enter the mobile number, enter the valid email ID, and you can enter the Aadhaar card number. So this information what I have entered is for demonstration purpose, and you can click on proceed. So once the details what you have entered is valid, you will be getting an SMS. You can validate that particular details over here, and then you can start using the services provided by the Karnataka Bhoomi. Next, moving to the IRTC wallet. So here you can see we have different services provided by this IRTC wallet, where you can print your land record, that is Pahani, online by simply paying 15 rupees for first 4 pages, and after that it will cost rupees 2 for each page. So like this you can request the land record print online itself. By paying online you will be getting the details, and you can use this NK services. You can use this as wallet, and you can use this Nada Kacheri department services here by using this wallet, and you can also store a amount 10,000. If you are an entrepreneur, you can open an account by providing all the proofs and get an iWallet, under which by paying up to 10,000 you can use Bhoomi and Nada Kacheri and other department services over here. And if you have ordered the RTC and if you are not received that, so you can click on this link and you can enter the order number, and if you click on this get RTC, you will be getting the details of that particular order. Services available in this Bhoomi Karnataka. Hope you have understood how to retrieve the information online from Karnataka Bhoomi online, and I will provide the step-to-step description of each and every services in my blog article. So I have provided that particular link in the video description. Kindly click on it and view the details there, and further request all the users to subscribe our channel revexport.com to get latest updated videos. And last but not the least, you can reach to the support if you have any complaint or if you want any help related to the land records. You can reach to the support and contact. Click on the contact and you can find all the email IDs and the contact numbers of the respective people who can support you on the help desk related to the land records. I can say that this is one of the best website in the state of Karnataka, providing the best services to the people of Karnataka to avoid corruption and providing user-friendly, straightforward information by accessing this website. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon with new other videos.
Thank you for watching this video. For more product and review information, please click on the link provided in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe our channel revexport.com for more review video updates. Click on the bell icon to get notified about new videos. Thank you.